Have you ever dreamed of traveling to places where legends come to life? Embark on a mystical journey with The Enchanted Compass, a magical folktale that doubles as a travel guide, leading you through breathtaking destinations around the world. As you follow the story of a brave adventurer named Lila, you'll uncover hidden treasures, mythical histories, and real-life travel tips to make your dream escapades come true. From the misty highlands of Scotland to the turquoise waters of the Pacific, let Lila's quest ignite your wanderlust. This story isn't just an adventure, it's a roadmap to experiencing the wonders of our world. Number 1. The Call to Adventure. The Highlands of Scotland. In the quiet town of Inverness, nestled in Scotland's Highlands, Lila discovers an ancient compass at a curiosity shop. Its intricate design and cryptic engravings suggest it's no ordinary artifact. When she touches it, the compass springs to life, pointing to the legendary Loch Ness. The journey begins with Lila navigating mist-shrouded paths, where every turn tells a tale. The Highlands, with their rugged beauty, are steeped in stories of clan battles and ghostly apparitions. As she rows across Loch Ness, she's captivated by the possibility of spotting Nessie, the mythical creature said to inhabit these waters. Travel tip: visit the Loch Ness Center and exhibition for an interactive experience about Nessie. Don't miss the nearby Urquhart Castle for panoramic views. Number 2. Whispers of the Past. The temples of Angkor, Cambodia. The enchanted compass next points east, guiding Lila to the heart of Southeast Asia. She lands in Siem Reap, Cambodia, where the ancient temples of Angkor rise from the jungle. The compass's needle quivers as it points to Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world. By torchlight, Lila explores Ta Prohm, where roots of massive trees weave through stone walls, whispering tales of time. The carvings of asparas seem to dance under the moonlight, and the air hums with ancient energy. Travel tip: arrive at Angkor Wat before dawn to witness the sunrise casting golden hues over the temple. Hire a local guide to uncover hidden histories. Number 3. The Desert Mirage. Wadi Rum, Jordan. The compass spins wildly before settling, pulling Lila toward the Middle East. She arrives in Wadi Rum, Jordan, a surreal desert landscape of crimson sands and towering rock formations. Known as the Valley of the Moon, this place has inspired Bedouin legends for centuries. Under a starlit sky, Lila listens to tales of ancient caravans and the Nabateans who built Petra. The desert, vast and silent, holds secrets of resilience and survival. Travel tip: stay in a Bedouin camp to experience traditional hospitality. Try activities like camel rides or stargazing for unforgettable memories. Number 4. The Ocean's Secret. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. The compass now leads Lila to a paradise of azure lagoons and coral reefs. In Bora Bora, she discovers the legend of the enchanted pearl, said to grant wishes to those pure of heart. Lila snorkels in crystal-clear waters, marveling at the vibrant marine life. The Polynesian culture comes alive in the rhythmic beats of Tahitian dance and the warm smiles of the locals. Each sunset here feels like a painting, a reminder of nature's artistry. Travel tip: book an overwater bungalow for the ultimate luxury experience. Don't miss a lagoon tour to explore hidden coves and swim with rays. Number 5. The Forest's Heart. The Black Forest. Germany. Drawn next to Europe, the compass points to Germany's Black Forest, a land that inspired countless fairy tales. Lila walks through dense woods where the air is thick with mystery. She finds herself in a small village celebrating the legend of the cuckoo clock. In the depths of the forest, she encounters a storyteller who shares the origin of the brothers Grimm's tales. Every corner of this forest seems alive with enchantment. Travel tip: visit Triberg for its famous waterfalls and cuckoo clock museum. Enjoy a slice of black forest cake at a local cafe. Number 6. To the Machu Picchu, Peru. The compass's journey ends in South America, atop the Andes Mountains. Lila arrives at Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. As the morning mist lifts, the ruins come into view, revealing the ingenuity of an ancient civilization. Guided by the compass, Lila uncovers a hidden chamber, believed to house an offering to Pachamama, the earth goddess. Here, she feels a deep connection to the world and its stories. Travel tip: acclimatize to the altitude in Cusco before heading to Machu Picchu. Opt for the scenic train ride or the challenging Inca Trail trek. Number 7. Aurora's Embrace, Tromsø, Norway. The compass's needle spins once more, pointing northward to the Arctic Circle. Lila finds herself in Tromsø, Norway, during the polar night. Here, the aurora borealis dances across the night sky, casting a surreal glow over snowy landscapes. Locals speak of the lights as celestial foxes sprinting through the heavens, their tails igniting the stars. Guided by the compass, Lila joins a Sami elder who recounts ancient myths under the shimmering sky. She learns the importance of harmony with nature in this frozen wonderland. Travel tip: visit Tromsø between November and March for the best chance to see the northern lights. Consider a husky sledding adventure for an unforgettable Arctic experience. Number 8. The Desert Jewel, Erg Chebi, Morocco. Next, the compass points to North Africa, where Lila ventures into the vast Sahara Desert. At Erg Chebi, towering sand dunes glow like molten gold under the setting sun. The Berber tribes share tales of ancient caravans and the desert's healing powers. Lila embarks on a camel trek, guided by the stars, and camps in a luxurious tent beneath a blanket of constellations. The compass hums with energy, as if resonating with the timelessness of the desert. Travel tip: visit during spring or autumn for milder temperatures. Don't miss the chance to try traditional Moroccan mint tea and Berber cuisine. Number 9. The Island's Song, Easter Island, Chile. Lila's journey takes her to one of the most remote inhabited islands on Earth. On Easter Island, she stands in awe before the iconic Moai statues, each a silent sentinel holding secrets of the Rapa Nui civilization. The compass points her to a ceremonial site where locals once communed with their ancestors. The island's volcanic craters and pristine beaches create a mesmerizing contrast, while its culture speaks of resilience and reverence for nature. Travel tip: explore Rano Riraku, the quarry where Moai were carved. Attend a traditional dance performance to immerse yourself in Rapa Nui culture. Number 10. The Celestial Canopy, Aoraki, Mount Cook, New Zealand. The compass's magic draws Lila to the southern hemisphere, where she arrives at Aoraki, Mount Cook, New Zealand's tallest peak. Here, the night sky is a canvas of stars, unspoiled by light pollution. The Maori legends speak of Aoraki as a sacred ancestor, his spirit imbued in the mountain. Lila hikes through valleys dotted with glaciers and alpine flowers, feeling a profound sense of peace under the vast expanse of the universe. Travel tip: visit the Aoraki Mackenzie International Dark Sky Reserve for stargazing. Don't miss the Hooker Valley Track for breathtaking views of the Southern Alps. Number 11. The Mystic River, Amazon Rainforest, Brazil. The compass guides Lila to the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the Rio Negro meets the Solomos River. Here, the waters flow side by side without mixing, creating a natural phenomenon known as the meeting of waters. Local shamans share stories of river spirits and the rainforest's life-giving essence. As Lila paddles through the dense jungle, she encounters vibrant wildlife and discovers the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Travel tip: stay at an eco-lodge for an immersive experience. Go on guided night hikes to witness the rainforest's nocturnal wonders. Number 12. The Eternal Flame, Mount Bromo, Indonesia. The compass brings Lila to Java, Indonesia, where Mount Bromo stands as a beacon of fire and smoke. She arrives at dawn, just as the sun rises over the Tengger caldera, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. The Tenggurese people's rituals honor the mountain, believing it to be the home of deities. Lila treks to the volcano's edge, where the compass glows, as if drawing power from the earth itself. Travel tip: plan your visit during the dry season, April to October. Join a jeep tour for the best sunrise views. Number 13. The Hidden Paradise, Palawan, Philippines. The compass's journey takes Lila to Palawan, an archipelago of limestone cliffs and turquoise waters. At El Nido, she kayaks through lagoons that seem to belong to another world. Locals tell her of the Diwata, nature spirits said to protect this untouched paradise. Lila feels a deep connection to the ocean as she snorkels among vibrant coral reefs, her compass leading her to hidden caves. Travel tip: take an island hopping tour to explore the Bakuit archipelago. Visit during the dry season, November to May, for calm seas and clear skies. Number 14. The Frozen Frontier, Patagonia, Argentina and Chile. The compass now points Lila southward, to the icy wilderness of Patagonia. Here, massive glaciers like Perito Moreno and Torres del Paine's jagged peaks dominate the landscape. The indigenous Mapuche people share stories of spirits inhabiting the mountains and rivers. Lila treks through pristine wilderness, her breath taken away by the sheer majesty of nature. Travel tip: visit during the shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, for fewer crowds. Pack layers to adapt to Patagonia's unpredictable weather. Number 15. The Ancient Sands, Giza, Egypt. The final chapter of Lila's journey takes her to the cradle of civilization. Standing before the Great Pyramids of Giza, she marvels at the engineering feats of the ancient Egyptians. The compass points her to the Sphinx, whose enigmatic gaze seems to pierce through time. Guided by a local archaeologist, Lila uncovers the stories of pharaohs and gods that shaped this timeless land. Travel tip: visit early in the morning to avoid crowds and heat. Pair your trip with a Nile cruise to explore other historic sites like Luxor and Aswan. The world awaits. Lila's journey with the enchanted compass concludes, but her story inspires others to seek their own adventures. The compass taught her that the world is full of wonder, waiting to be explored. As you set out on your travels, remember, every destination has a story, and every story is an adventure. Thank you for joining us on Lila's incredible journey. If this tale has sparked your wanderlust, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel stories, guides, and tips. Your support helps us bring you closer to the world's most enchanting destinations. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with fellow adventurers. Let's explore the world together, one story at a time. See you in the next adventure.